China warns of retaliation as Trump escalates trade war. Hi, my name is Sneha Biswas and you are watching the Free Press Journal. China has issued a stern warning to the United States, declaring that it is prepared to fight till the end if President Donald Trump continues to escalate tensions with reciprocal tariffs. The statement comes as Trump accused China of failing to curb the export of chemicals used in phenyl production, leading to a new wave of tariffs on Chinese imports. In a scathing post on X, China's foreign ministry dismissed the phenyl issue as a flimsy excuse to justify economic aggression. The Chinese embassy in the US reinforced Beijing's stance, asserting that if the US is determined to wage a trade or tariff war, China is prepared to retaliate. China also hit back at Trump's accusations, stating that the opioid crisis in the US is a domestic problem and not of China's making. The foreign ministry accused the US of shifting blame and unfairly punishing China despite its efforts to combat phenyl exports. In a direct warning to the Trump administration, Beijing declared that it would not be intimidated by Washington's aggressive tactics. The Chinese Foreign Ministry stated that the only way forward was to treat China as an equal rather than resorting to pressure and coercion. Intimidation does not scare us, bullying does not work on us. Pressuring, coercion or threats are not the right way of dealing with China, the ministry said. The strong rhetoric signals China's refusal to back down in the face of escalating US measures. Trump's latest announcement made during his first address to Congress since assuming office has raised global concerns over an impending trade war. The US has already doubled tariffs on Chinese imports from 10% to 20%, with further economic retaliations expected from Beijing. He has also promised to impose reciprocal tariffs from April 2 on most of America's trading partners, including India, for having trade policies that are unfair to Americans. What is your take on the story? Write to us in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.